Everything should circle around God. Then finally, more sandwiches. Special K. Hello world, welcome to Faith It. I'm Cam Bam. Okay, so I'm doing a video outside. I just really have to get some things off my chest. So what better place than outside? Okay, so being different. Being different is something that is not embraced enough. I mean, we get the ability to change up who we are like daily. For example, my hair. I love being natural. Like every day I can change up my hair however I want. Nobody has a choice in the matter. I have the ability to choose what I want to wear every day. So I choose to cover it up a little bit more. People don't embrace being different enough. You spend too much time trying to fit in, trying to be like everybody else, trying to have fun with everybody else. When in reality, you probably weren't cut from the same cloth. It's okay to be different. It's okay to be a loner. I don't think we embrace being a loner enough in this country. We're too busy trying to fit in. Stop trying to fit in. Because really, when you fit in, you just blend in. I'm here to stand out. I'm here to be my own person. Just be different. Be a loner. Be a crazy fanatic. Just be you. Change it up. You don't have to be who the world tells you you are. You don't have to be who your mom said you would be, who your dad said you would be, who that boss said you would be. You have the ability to change who you are daily, to be better by the day. So just do it and just be better. Just be different. I'm Cam Bam, and this is Faith It. Enjoy!